How to delete Hotwire search history. Hotwire is a travel booking website and app that specializes in helping users find discounted rates for hotel rooms, rental cars, flights, and vacation packages. While there is no direct option listed for deleting search history specifically on Hotwire, you can clear browser cache and cookies. So click on three dots. Click More Tools. Click on Clear Browsing Data. You can select Time Range All Time. You can uncheck Browsing History. Then click on Clear Data. If you're logged into a Hotwire account, try logging out and back in. Some personalized history might be reset upon doing this. It will delete Hotwire search history. That's it. Thanks for watching.